Looking to create the ultimate spooky Halloween table that leaves your guests in awe? Whether you're hosting a creepy dinner or a kid-friendly gathering, I've got everything you need to transform your table into a haunting masterpiece. From eerie lighting to glamorous, spine-chilling decor ideas, this video is packed with easy-to-follow tips to make your Halloween unforgettable. Ready to dive in? Let's get spooky. What are some easy DIY ideas for a spooky Halloween centerpiece? Creating a Halloween centerpiece doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a few simple items, you can make a dramatic focal point that's perfect for any Halloween table. Spooky candle holders. Take old wine bottles, paint them black, and drip red wax down the sides for a blood-like effect. Place black or white candles inside for an eerie glow. Pumpkin stack. Use varying sizes of mini pumpkins or gourds, paint them in Halloween colors, black, white, or gold, and stack them in the middle of the table. Add some cobwebs or plastic spiders for extra spookiness. Haunted mirror. Grab an old mirror, crack it slightly, and spray paint spooky messages on it like "Beware" or "Do not enter." Place it flat on the table and surround it with faux skulls or bones for that haunted house vibe. Want to see more DIY projects like this? Hit that subscribe button for all things creative. What types of tableware and utensils best complement Halloween decor? The right tableware can completely elevate your Halloween theme. With just a few strategic choices, you can tie the whole table together seamlessly. Black and gold utensils. Matte black or antique gold utensils bring an elegant yet dark vibe to the table. They add a sense of gothic luxury to your spooky setting. Themed plates. Opt for plates with Halloween motifs like bats, skulls, or spiders. If you want to stay subtle, go for black or deep purple plates with metallic edges. Gothic goblets. Swap out regular glassware for black or red goblet. These instantly add a medieval or vampire-esque touch, perfect for setting the mood. If you found these ideas useful, make sure to like and share this video with your friends who love Halloween decor. What are some Halloween-themed food presentation ideas for a table setting? Halloween isn't just about how your table looks, it's also about how you present the food. Make your dishes part of the decor with these easy tricks. Coffin nacho tray. Serve your appetizers on a coffin-shaped tray or platter. Fill it with nachos and use black beans, red salsa, and green guacamole to resemble a gruesome graveyard. Potion bottle. Pour drinks into small glass potion bottles, labeling each with spooky names like Witch's Brew or Zombie Blood. Monster muffins. Decorate cupcakes or muffins with edible eyes, fake teeth, or even black frosting to turn them into cute or creepy little monsters. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Halloween dish idea? I'd love to hear your spooky recipe. How can you use lighting to enhance your Halloween table decor? Lighting can make or break your Halloween atmosphere. Here are some creative ways to use lighting to create a spooky yet inviting ambiance. Candlelight. Ditch the bright lights and go for candlelight to give your table a dim, mysterious glow. Use black or deep red candles to add to the eerie vibe. String lights. Incorporate orange or purple string lights around the centerpiece or along the edges of the table. These lights add a subtle, ghostly touch without being overpowering. LED lanterns. For an extra dramatic effect, place battery-powered LED lanterns or faux firelight in the corners of your table. This will create an eerie, flickering shadow effect. Want more spooky lighting ideas? Check out the description for a playlist of similar videos. How can you make a Halloween table setting that appeals to both kids and adults? Balancing fun for the kids with elegance for the adults is easier than you think. Key is finding decor that's spooky, but not too scary, and functional for all ages. Create zones. Set up a kids zone with playful items like glow-in-the-dark plates, Halloween-themed napkins, and cute pumpkin cups, while the adult side of the table can feature more sophisticated, darker decor. Interactive decor. Use things like a candy cauldron centerpiece where kids can grab their treats, but adults will enjoy the spooky yet whimsical display. Fun yet stylish. Keep a mix of fun elements like small skeletons or ghost figurines, but pair them with more refined elements, such as gold utensils, black table run. For more creative party ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. How can you use lighting to enhance your Halloween table decor? Lighting can make or break your Halloween atmosphere. Here are some creative ways to use lighting to create a spooky yet inviting ambiance. Candlelight. Ditch the bright lights and go for candlelight to give your table a dim, mysterious glow. Use black or deep red candles to add to the eerie vibe. String lights. Incorporate orange or purple string lights around the centerpiece or along the edges of the table. These lights add a subtle, ghostly touch without being overpowering. LED lanterns. For an extra dramatic effect, place battery-powered LED lanterns or faux firelight in the corners of your table. This will create an eerie, flickering shadow effect. Want more spooky lighting ideas? Check out the description for a playlist of similar videos. How can you create a Halloween table setup that is both glamorous and spooky? Glamorous and spooky might seem like an unusual combo, but you can strike a balance with the right decor and accessory. Luxurious textures. Use velvet or satin table runners in dark colors like black or midnight blue, and pair them with shiny metallic chargers or ornate candle holders. Metallic accents. Incorporate gold or silver elements, whether it's in your utensils, goblets, or even pumpkin decor. These metallic touches add an elegant contrast to darker, spooky elements. Crystal and lace. Crystal goblets paired with lace placemats add that gothic glam touch. Don't forget to use black lace to tie everything back to the spooky Halloween theme. Want to recreate this look? Check the description for all the items featured in this video. Conclusion. Now you're all set to host the spookiest yet most elegant Halloween dinner ever. From DIY centerpieces to glamorous tableware, your table will be the talk of the night. Remember, it's all about mixing fun, spooky, and glam elements to create a magical setting your guests, both young and old, will love. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to check out my other Halloween videos and stay tuned for more.